Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to easy scan and save a file with your iPhone. So here I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max and here are two pages, and if you want to scan these pages, it is very easy. On your phone, just go to the Files app and press and hold on it, and here we have Scan Documents. Tap on it. Now just put your phone over this page, wait for a few seconds because the photo will be taken automatically, and here there is. If you don't like it, you can retake it. Tap here and again put your phone over the page. Okay, wait, and here is the scan. Now looks better. And if you want to take one more scan, another page, again put your phone over the page, and here is the second page. So we have two pages. This is the second one and this is the first one. Now to save it, just tap here to check it, and here you can save it in your Files app in iCloud Drive, or you can save it in another location. I will let you in iCloud Drive. You can select one of your folders, or you can create a new one. For example, let's say scan, and check it, and just tap save, and that's all. Here is the iCloud Drive, and if you go to the scan folder, here is what I just scanned. Okay, and if I press and hold on it and go to get info, as you can see, we have saved as PDF. Okay, and from here you can share it very easily via WhatsApp or via email this file. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.